As we stand at the edge of endings and beginnings, we often hear that graduation is a celebration of students, and it is. But if we are being honest, this moment does not belong to us alone. Because behind every name called, every certificate given, and every dream about to take flight, there are quiet hands that shaped and guided our path, our teachers. There are three things that I would like to describe our teachers with. First, our teachers are like our tour guides. They provided assistance, information, and guidance throughout our college journey, patiently answering our questions and showing us the beautiful sides of choosing our path. To tell you honestly, mas na-appreciate na ko ang MedTech through how our teachers enthusiastically share their experiences in the lab. Kanang makita silang bitog, lahi nga patient ang makuhaan og dugo, or nalabay ang sample sa patient. Our teachers also share their in-depth knowledge and created meaningful experiences to equip us with the skills and competencies of our courses. And we, the graduates, are delighted to give our heartfelt gratitude to our teachers for leading us up to this day. Second, our teachers are like an athlete's coach. They are passionate, competent, and at the same time, strict. They have been training and disciplining us non-stop so that we would be prepared for the future. Sometimes we complained, Chris nasad, bagsak na tandaan eh. Daghan ang requirements ni ma'am. Sige naman tag-reporting. Little did we know that what our teachers made us do molded us into the people we are today. We did not become trustworthy people overnight, nor responsible individuals in the blink of an eye. We became the better versions of ourselves because of their coaching and discipline. Ma'am and sir, kudos to all of you. Lastly, our teachers are like our parents. In fact, they are our second parents. There were moments when we struggled deeply with our studies or in our personal lives. And they were always there for us, reaching out. When we experienced brokenness, they comforted us. When we experienced success, they celebrated with us. When we experienced hopelessness, they continued to inspire us. Sometimes, you acted more like our true parents. Mag-chat pa mo, if kumusta na mi, ngano nag-absent sa class, and prayed for us to succeed. Our teachers are instruments used by God, the master teacher, to help us uphold and develop a Christ-like character. They could have chosen any profession they wanted, yet our teachers chose to be used by God to love, care for, and support you and me. I am requesting our teachers to please stand.